Look, building an aesthetic body is every guy's dream, but can everyone actually build it? Honestly, no. But after watching this video, you can. If you're between 14 and 25 years old and thinking about building muscle at home, then trust me, guys. If you follow the 5 exercises and tricks I'm about to share, you'll start seeing changes in your body within just 2 weeks. Whether your body is skinny or overweight, you'll be able to bring that aesthetic look into your physique. And if you watch this video till the end, you'll get a proper workout plan that you can easily practice at home, along with a simple food routine that will help your results improve faster. So, let's get started. First of all, you need to understand, what is an aesthetic body? Is it a slim body like Ronaldo's, a muscular body like Shakib Khan's, or a perfectly balanced body like David Lade's? Let me clear this confusion. Look at the 2 people shown on the screen. Who looks more muscular and manly? Now look at 2 more photos. You probably placed these 2 in the boy category, and those 2 in the man category. But why? Because body structure itself defines who you are. Step 1. Push and pull power. Fit arms, wide chest, strong shoulders, perfect triceps. These play a huge role in building an aesthetic body. They give you that strong, masculine look. And for this, you only need the right balance of 2 movements, push-ups and pull-ups. Let's start with push-ups. This single exercise trains your chest, shoulders, and triceps. If you're a beginner and struggle with push-ups, start with knee push-ups. Always keep your form perfect and your body straight like a wooden plank. Next comes incline push-ups. Place your hands on an elevated platform like a chair or bed and do push-ups. This targets your upper chest, which helps create that V shape. Finally, we have diamond push-ups. Make a diamond shape on the floor with your hands. This one is harder, but it's extremely effective for building your triceps and inner chest. Now let's talk about pull-ups. If you don't have a pull-up bar at home, don't worry, there's an easy solution. Tie a strong cloth to a door handle, lean back slightly, and pull your body toward it. This puts great tension on your back and biceps. If that's not possible either, try reverse table rows. This targets your back muscles effectively. Remember, push-ups and pull-ups are equally important. If you only do push-ups, your shoulders will start rolling forward, which ruins your posture and body shape. Keep the balance. That's how your upper body stays slim and attractive. Step 2. Build the V shape. The most eye-catching part of an aesthetic body is the V shape. But here's a common myth. Many people think 6-pack abs alone create this shape. That's not true. A V shape comes from a wide upper body and a strong, tight core. And you can build it at home using these core exercises. First, leg raises. This exercise directly targets your lower abs. Lie flat, raise your legs straight up, then slowly lower them. There's nothing better for building the lower abs. Second, plank. This is a static exercise but incredibly powerful. Hold your body straight like a wooden plank. It strengthens your entire core like steel. Start with 30 seconds. Third, Russian twists. Lift your feet slightly off the ground and twist your body side to side. This builds your obliques, making your V-lines more visible. Fourth, mountain climbers. From a push-up position, move your knees toward your chest at a fast pace. This not only builds abs but also works as an excellent cardio exercise to burn fat. Remember, abs show only when body fat is low, so along with core training, follow clean eating and do 15 minutes of light running daily. Step 3. Build the lower body. This is a big mistake. 90% of guys completely skip lower body workouts. But remember, without strong legs, your aesthetic body is incomplete. A strong lower body is the foundation of power, stability, and balance. First, body weight squats. The king of leg exercises. Stand straight, sit back like you're sitting on a chair, then come back up. This strengthens your quads and glutes. Second, lunges. Step one leg forward and lower your body. This builds leg muscles and greatly improves balance and core stability. Third, wall sit. Lean your back against a wall and sit at a 90-degree angle like you're on a chair. Hold for 30 to 60 seconds. It looks easy, but the burn in your thighs is where real muscle growth happens. These exercises will improve your posture, stamina, and overall physique, helping you achieve a complete aesthetic body. If you want the next video on a specific topic, let me know in the comments.